everyone and welcome back to NavYugKids School Assembly News. Today is 24th June 2026 and here are the top headlines for the day. Let's begin with the national news.
National news. India and the US continue negotiations on a major trade agreement. India is seeking better tariff access and favorable trade terms before the current temporary tariff arrangements expire next month. India is hosting the BRICS space agencies meeting in Bengaluru. Leaders from 11 countries are discussing safer and more sustainable future space missions.
The national news. The US has issued a 60-day waiver allowing certain countries to purchase Iranian oil. In return, Iran has agreed to reopen the Strait of Hormuz, a key global energy route. The FIFA World Cup 2026 continues in North America, with football stars Lionel Messi and Kylian Mbappe delivering standout performances for their teams.
Karnataka state news. The IMD has forecast heavy rainfall across several parts of Karnataka. Rainfall activity is expected to increase further from 26 June, and residents have been advised to stay alert.
Sports news. India's men's volleyball team has climbed 11 places in the world rankings, moving from number 60 to number 49 after the ABC Men's Volleyball Cup 2026 in Ahmedabad.
Thought of the day. Our greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Confucius. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Jai Hind.